Hi everyone, this is Kana Uluk-Achokiak. I'm your 1010 instructor, and I'm making a quick video just to show you a couple of things you're going to need to do on Canvas that are kind of tech. So I just want to make sure you have a video to see how to do it yourselves. Okay, today in this video what we're going to do is we're going to add an image to a discussion post. We're going to add an image in a couple of different ways, as well as we are going to include or attach a document to a discussion post in Canvas. These will be essential skills for you as you go on in these next couple of weeks. All right, so you can see our English 1010 class. I obviously encourage you to go to start here, read what's there, also click syllabus, read what's there. Take a look at the coming ups as well as your calendar. You can find your calendar on the left-hand side. You can find a link to that calendar on the right-hand side. This tells you what is coming up and due pretty soon. You can see I have some grading to do by the end of this week. So I'm going to go into the discussion forums and I'm going to link it down to a discussion that doesn't have any activity in it yet. Right now you are all talking about introduction stories right now. I'm going to go into what is rhetoric anyway. This is the next thing that you're going to have to do, and I'm going to play around in a discussion post here. So you'll see a discussion post. It has instructions, tells you what to do Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. What you're going to do is hit reply, and in there you'll wind up getting this dialog box. If you have your Canvas all the screen for your for Canvas enlarged to fill up the whole screen, it actually shows all this stuff a little bit better. Like I said in the syllabus, and I think I've said it elsewhere, I highly encourage you to write your initial posts, the ones that are going to be like a lot of words. I highly encourage you to write those posts in like Word and then copy and paste. On a Mac, it's Command C for copy or Control C on a PC to copy, right? You select everything and then copy it. And then you press paste, which would be Command V on a Mac or Control V on a Mac or on a PC. Sorry, I'm not used to using a PC. So I'm going to show you like a couple of things. So you're in this dialog box. I'm going to say, hello, this is Kana, right? And so I have that, and I'm like, ooh, now I want to put a picture of myself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this embed image so you can see it. It says embed image, and I'm going to go to the Canvas flapper, or tab, I guess is what you call it. I'll call it flapper today. And I'm going to go to my files. I have already a set of files on my personal Canvas files. You can find it under yourself over here on the left hand side under your account. You actually have, you as a student have a space for making files. And I'm going to go to my profiles, pictures file. I've had to put profile pictures up a bunch. I'm going to hit Kana, Alaska, and so it's selected, and then I'm going to go down and it tells me, okay, Kana, Alaska, JPEG, and it shows me this number 1932 by 2576. Okay, that's humongous. You don't want to have that big of a picture. It's going to take up the entire image. Let me show you. Look at this giant picture. You're going to be like, ah! Now there are a couple of things you could do once it's there. You can go, okay, I'm going to click it, and it gives me this these arrows, so you can like scroll down. I would scroll down to the bottom arrow, hit shift so it stays in a good aspect, or maybe it's not doing that. Oh, so we're gonna squish it down. Maybe I've squished it badly, I can't tell. And then it's kept the aspect ratio, that's good. And that's changed the size of this ginormous picture. Another thing you can do, instead of having to go in and press those crop, kind of like a resize buttons on your image, you can go and embed the image, and instead of doing it very large, right, you can just pick it. It's the same image, and you can, in the dimension section, I'm just going to put like 300, and then I'm going to press tab, and when I press tab it changes the aspect ratio of the height, so it just keeps it so it's square. And then I'm going to update it. And there we go. Here's another picture. And then I could still, the same thing, go, oh, this is still too big, and click on it, and I could make it smaller. Okay, so there's another picture of me. Wow. I'm not this narcissistic. I'm just trying to show you how to do your own image. All right. And then let's say you're like, I don't have a picture of myself on my computer right now. Like, I just literally don't. Or I'm at a library computer and I don't have a picture of me on this computer. What do I do? Well, you can, if let's say you have Facebook or you have these different things, I just searched my name. It'll pick up like Facebook photos too and different things like these are, here's me feeding a llama. Let's go to that one and you can right click it. And off the internet, there are times that you're able to just copy and paste it. So you can try just doing the copy image, or you can and then see if you can paste it in there. I'll show you how to do that in a second. But I'm going to have you save image as, and I'm just going to say Kana Llama, and I'm going to hit save, and that's on my desktop. And we're going to go into here and then we're going to hit this embed image again. We're going to go back to Canvas again. We're going to go to files. I have a profile pictures, right, file, and I'm going to hit upload file. And then it's going to give me my desktop where you can search other places. And I have Kana Llama open, and it's already going to be selected. I'm going to see it's 900 by 1200. That's still way too big, so I'm going to put 300 again and press tab. It's going to change the size, and then I'm going to hit update. And lo and behold, there's Kana Llama. I don't know why it's flipping out up on the top there, but we're just going to ignore that disco scene. Whoa. Okay, and then here is me with a llama. Okay. And now, another thing is you might be able to want to have an image with like from the internet. So, for example, for week 2, you're going to be putting an advertisement in. You're doing a rhetorical analysis of an advertisement you find online. So I just Googled teddy bear ad, just for teddy bears, and I clicked on this one. Here we go. Oh, that's so cute. And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to just try copy image this time. So copy image. I'm going to go back to my What is Rhetoric Anyway discussion post, and then I'm going to right click it and do paste, and boom, this time it worked. So I'm able just to have copied and pasted um, an online advertisement. On these advertisements, you're probably going to want them to be a little bit bigger so people can really see them. So you can just put it like that. So that way people can see it as clear as possible. You can even make it a little bigger. You're like, man, I really want this big because people really need to see things about the internet, right? This is a teddy bear and the internet. And there we go. So then this is selected. Oi. Okay, next. And okay, finally, I want to show you how to attach a document to your post. So you can press attach. You're going to press choose file. You're going to go to this. I have a file on my desktop. And it just says example paper, nothing big. And I put it in there. You could see that it says example paper, so I know it's uploaded. And I just press post reply. And here we go. This is what my posts look like. This is me. Lots of different versions of me. And then here's a teddy bear, right? Let's say you maybe either forgot to attach your document, or you're doing the peer review section where you actually have to attach another document. If you forget to attach your document to your initial post, you are able to edit your posts, but you're not able to add documents to an edited post, if that makes any sense. So like if I go into this edited post or this post, I click edit, and then I could change my text. Oops, sorry, this is going really fast. Here's me with a really cute llama, okay? And then maybe I put the wrong paper up. I don't want to do that, right? But it doesn't give me an option to put a different paper in or put one in if I forgot it initially. So I just press done. And instead, if I've forgotten to add an attachment, or I want to add a second attachment, right, a few attachments, then I just press reply. And all I need to do is press attach down here, find a file, go and put this example paper file again, and press post reply. And so now there is an example paper there. And you can also put text in that same thing and images and whatever you want. So this is was a really brief overview of how to navigate Canvas and just add images and add add some like papers or like a document to the discussion post. Whoa, I'm stuttering all of a sudden. I must be tired. This is a long video. All right. Good luck with everything, and please let me know if you need any help. Take it easy.